Hi investor, this is Matthew from MegaWorld and papakita ko sa inyo yung newly turnover condo natin, si Beyond Tower. So ngayon, nandito tayo sa 11th floor, amenity level for the Beyond Tower. So check natin itong daycare. So next naman dito is yung library for the Beyond Tower. And next amenity natin is the function room. So very spacious yung function room natin. So you can go place gathering tables here sa natin, function room. So nandito naman yung fitness gym area natin. And let's go sa pool area.